Hey, this is Vito from Jersey, and here's my little puppy dog over there. See, I'm going to show you how good I got him trained. Okay? Alright. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on, pup. No, don't rush into it now, puppy. Don't rush into it. Come by daddy. Come on. Now, they're all watching you there, puppy. Come on, buddy. Come on, pup. Come by daddy, puppy. Come by daddy. I get no respect, not even from the dog. Don't rush into it, puppy. Come on. That's it. That's it. Hey, he's doing it. He's coming. He's coming. He's a big boy. My puppy. See? See what a big boy. He does it. Daddy. Alright, this is Vito from Jersey. And this is, come, get. Vito from Jersey. And this is the puppy. See? This is Pinot Silvestri. See? As good as the yams grow. Remember I told you one of the other ones we were going to mate him? Well, we haven't made him yet. He's waiting for it though, buddy. He's sweating. Right, pups? Alright. See you guys later.